Hey guys, happy February. So I decided that today, since I'm doing another Attack on Titan shoot, I would just do it as a separate vlog rather than as part of my monthly vlog because I don't really have anything else planned for this week content-wise. So yeah, we are going to go reshoot my Historia cosplay because when we did the Attack on Titan shoot previously, which you've already seen on my vlogs and probably on my Instagram, we wanted to do Sasha and Historia, but unfortunately the Historia cosplay didn't work out because I couldn't find my wig, and also I forgot my swords. So this cosplay is just problem after problem today. First of all, I can't find my wig and I don't know where it went, and that's really annoying. And second of all, I forgot my swords. I was so careful to, you know, take them out of their spot, put them somewhere where I would see them before I left, and I forgot them. And so I am really bummed out right now. Between the wigs and the swords, I think I might just do Sasha and not even cosplay Historia. Okay, there's someone with a drone too, like, f you. So it just kind of was a disaster, and we decided to just do Sasha instead. So today's a redo of that, so we're gonna just do Historia, but I remembered my swords this time. I found my wig, so we're all good with that. And then we also decided, Rui saw this like TikTok of someone doing like a Hanji or Hange, I don't really know how to say her name, but like that cosplay with a crop top on. He's like, I want to do that because crop tops, I don't know. Anyway, we decided to do that, so I went and I feel a little bit when I'm out of the cosplay like I'm in like a 90s music video because I've got like the low kind of pants and then like a crop top. I was thinking it looked like I was in like a 90s like Britney Spears video or something. But yeah, that's what we're shooting today. And I've made sure I've got my wig, I've made sure I've got my swords, and I'm just heading over to our usual spot at the park and we're gonna get shooting. All right, let me throw on the entire rest of my cosplay. I thought we would be going around, so I didn't want to like put on all my harnesses and stuff and then try and deal with that. I'm doing them similar to how we did like the Patreon shoot, where I'm not like full on putting all of them on. Gonna use my camera as a mirror for a sec.
Why don't you use your natural hair for that character?
Because she has blonde hair.
The other version had what color?
What other version? The one time, the character we shot before?
Yeah.
Well, it had brown hair. But like different than mine. Attack some Titans. Ah! Oh! Now I'm dead.
Killed you on camera too.
Can't even do a shoot because I'm dead. That's how you get ready for the shoot at the park. Totally transformed, whole different person. Where do you want me to be?
So, come through this space right here. Just come through like this with the two knives. Do a couple like this, looking that direction, this direction, and then both sides. Maybe even here like this. Working your way, walking up and down, back and forth, just kind of in that whole space. And I'll kind of guide around you and work around you too. The only thing I want you to change after I take a couple is this right hand, read the sword up like that, okay? No, I can block it. Come forward a little. Yeah, that's right. Look up over the top of me. There you go, right there. Okay. That other arm, I want you to swing it like this. Just bring it back. Once I hold click, yeah, and keep, no, don't bring it all the way up. Just keep it here in this range. Yeah, like that. So it feels more natural and it's moving. You don't feel, and then up that way again.
Do you want me to follow you? Do you want me to follow you?
Stay there.
Okay.
I'm gonna move this off to the side.
Right here.
I actually do want you to stay. Yeah.
Helicopter.
I think people forget how little you are, but I want you guys on camera to see how little she is. And it really is like a little toy. So let me video you doing that. Hold on, let me with this camera because this quality is good. I'll send it to you. Okay, give me your go-to killer move. Go.
Slice.
It's the helicopter. Slice.
Yeah. And then you lift up. No need for 3D maneuver here.
All right, let's try a back one. So let's line up. We're gonna get closer to the tree over here. So come over here. And then I'm gonna have you back up. Come up now. All right, let's go a little more into the tree.
You're not going into the tree. Bye.
Don't do that. That scares the shit out of me. Okay. I want you to do is, since you're on this thing, do one leg up, one leg down, like this. That way? There you go. The jacket on. Yeah, you can leave it there so the logo's kind of...
Switching camera lenses, so we have a moment. I would like to take this moment to rant. I've already done plenty of rants on these harnesses and why they're the worst, and that's why I'm wearing the lazy version of them today where they're not attached to anything. They suck and they make no sense because, as I've said, if Titans are attacking, there's no time to put them on, and you can't move very well once they're on. They just suck. Yeah, so I've already ranted about that. This rant is why are they wearing white? They're fighting Titans. It's bloody, it's dirty. Give them red or brown or something. I mean, I know that they switched to black now in the new seasons, and I 100% approve of that choice because this makes no sense. This is like what Deadpool was talking about, how he wears red so like the blood doesn't show up. The other guy should be wearing the brown pants. Yeah, we should be wearing red or something. Black was a good choice. Also, like, not too happy about all the people who are like honking at me today. Usually at this park it's pretty chill, but today there's been a lot of people like yelling out of their car windows and honking, which I don't really like, you know, because it like takes you out of like your pose. But I did get this like one like what the heck look from this one kid in the car, and he was like like as he was like driving past, and that was freaking hilarious, and I was laughing so hard. So that was funny. But yeah, like I'm just like not a fan of the people who are like honking and stuff because it really just distracts me.
I forgot how thin that lens is. I mean how close it is. It's like literally portrait right in your face. We have golden hour, so we're gonna turn you around.
Golden hour. Okay, I'm just gonna show where you're standing and how freaking dangerous.
And there you go. This is beautiful. Back up. All right, back up some more. And then move over a little bit. Too far, too far. Right there. Just back up one little bit more. Perfect, right there. Give me as many poses, turn, rip, all of it. Easy though, don't move the hair, it looks good. In fact, do a couple like this, then bring a couple up. Keep your head up in the light, because it's only going to do it for like 10 minutes. Straight at me now. Go down. See if we can do something low. Open up a little more to me, your face. Right at me. There you go. Perfect. Move the sword one to your shoulder. Bring up your arm a little higher though. There you go. Chin down. Right at me. Back up. All right.
Good? Wait, let me look at that one more time.
Oh, I touched
Okay, I just wanted to make sure because I just like fell down as I was walking. Worst military uniform ever. That's a wrap on our shoot. Kind of chilly out. Glad I have a jacket. It's the good part of this cosplay is it at least has like jacket and long pants. Usually has a long sleeve t-shirt too, but we nixed that. Which is funny, it's actually, I did that for AX. I think I showed pictures, but I think I've worn it a couple other times too, that way. But like for AX and some other cons, I've worn a crop top and shorts just because it's so freaking hot outside that I like literally would have gotten sick if I had worn the actual uniform with long sleeves and with pants. Like I would think one year at AX it was like 120 degrees or something outside, like that wasn't happening. So yeah, it turned to shorts and a crop top for that.
Yeah, that was the worst con ever.
That was so, my shoes melted. Not even exaggerating, the inside of a pair of shoes that I have melted.
It was like the only people there that were enjoying that con were people that were so die-hard they didn't give a
It was rough.
care.
I remember leaving really early.
They didn't care. They were like, I love anime so much. I don't care that my face is melting, my makeup's melting. This wig is probably giving me some sort of like brain damage because it's so hot and I'm frying my brain right now.
I left early. Also, what's really funny is like, this is a really gross story, but like it was so sweaty that even though I was wearing shorts, there was this one moment where I was just like sitting on a ledge or a wall or something, and this guy was just talking to me and he wouldn't go away. I don't know who it was, but you know, sometimes people like talk to you and you're like really creeped out and like you can't go. But I was just sitting on this ledge, and then when I stood up, it was like there was like a butt print of sweat, as if I had like peed myself or something. But it was sweat, and it was just like my butt just in sweat on the ledge, and it was so gross. So that's how hot it was, and it was miserable, and I did not enjoy that con. Actually, it was still a fun con. It was just that part of it was
I left
miserable.
early.
I left early.
I think
too.
I went to the beach the first
Yeah.
day. I was like, I'm gonna go do a photo shoot at the beach.
I just went home each day kind of early, and then I like left the con like literally the last day. I just left. I didn't even like stay. I'm like, this is like falling off me. I'm just like taking this off. I give up. So yeah, that was a little shoot vlog that we did. Hopefully the pictures will be up soon. I'm super excited. That was really fun. I've been cosplaying Historia literally for so long. You should check out my video actually of all my Attack on Titan cosplays. I kind of did like I don't know what to call it, like a remembrance of all of them, like a reaction type thing. I don't know, but I did like a video about all of them. It's missing like my very most recent ones, I think. But yeah, check that out. I'll have a link up in the wherever it goes on top. And yeah, other than that, be sure to be following me on Instagram to see these pictures and also my past Attack on Titan pictures. Be sure to be following me on my other social media. I've got it all: Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, Patreon, everything. You can follow me everywhere. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week for my next video. Bye!